So I got this piece from a trading partner many months ago, maybe something like a year ago. I kind of forget, but I know that after I got it and took it home and was processing the deal that I bought this in, there was something suspect about it. I don't know if it was the color, maybe it was the sound. I don't really quite know. But anyway, it is marked on the bottom there, National Reserve Mint, 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver. It really didn't come into focus, unfortunately, in the video, but it is marked down there. You got to trust me on that. Anyway, for whatever reason, never did anything with it. I finally got it over to a buddy of mine who has an XRF gun, and he shot it, and sure enough, it was a little bit of nickel and mostly copper. And then I get home after that trip, and I do a scratch on the stone, and sure enough, it was clearly copper showing through. You might be able to see it. The color might actually look more goldish or silverish than copper, but believe me, it's nice and red. I did put the 14 karat or 18 karat silver testing acid on it, totally ate it away. So anyway, super interesting piece, and it did weigh maybe 32 or 33 grams, so a little bit heavier than it should have. And anyway, it didn't quite look or feel as dense as silver is, and sure enough, it wasn't. One interesting thing is that the resistivity, well, I don't know why I have it on rhodium here. So we'll do a silver resistivity analysis, and it does have resistivity that falls within the bounds of silver. However, it also has resistivity that falls within the bounds of copper. And there are certain alloys of copper and silver that do have very close resistivities to each other. Oftentimes, if it is 999 silver, a copper resistivity analysis would be within the bracket to the very left or even to the left of the brackets, but still not a failure. That's pretty common. When copper is right in the middle, and silver is to the right of the brackets or at the right end of within the brackets, then typically that piece is copper. But anyway, be very careful. There's a perfect demonstration of why, just because something is marked, which this is 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver, 1 troy ounce, just because it's marked and just because it has the electroresistivity of what it is marked does not mean it actually is that thing. This is absolutely zero silver. It's almost entirely copper. You guys stay safe and have fun.